Learn with Jingle Kids.
Question 1. Dash groups of 4 ink pots each can be formed from the given ink pots. The options are A3, B4, C5, D6. There are 20 ink pots. We will put 4 ink pots in each group. Let's count how many groups we have formed. So we have formed 5 such groups. The answer is C5. Question 2. Select the odd one out. The options are A. Parrot, B. Frog, C. Vulture, D. Sparrow. So the odd one out is frog, because all the 3 are birds and frog is an amphibian. So the correct answer is B. Frog is the odd one out. Question 3. Which of the following types of lines is not used to draw the given shape? A. Horizontal line, B. Vertical line, C. Curved line, D. Slanting line. The answer is D. Slanting line. So in this shape, slanting line is not used. Question 4. Dog dash is second to the right of bone in the given arrangement. Bone, dog B, dog Q, dog R, dog O, dog N and dog M. The options are A. Dog N, B. Dog O, C. Dog Q, D. Dog R. The correct answer is dog Q, C. Dog Q. Question number 5. If the day just before yesterday was Tuesday, then the day just after tomorrow will be dash. Options are A. Friday, B. Saturday, C. Sunday, D. Thursday. The answer is B. Saturday. Identify the following. It is a part of computer that helps to move the arrow on the screen. It has a ball on top that you can roll with your fingers to move the pointer. Options are A. Touchpad, B. Trackball, C. Point ball or D. Mousepad. The answer is B. Trackball. Select the incorrect match. A. Arrow keys or navigation keys helps to move the cursor up, down, left and right on the screen. B. Delete key erases the letter to the right of the cursor. C. Shift key, by holding it along the number keys you can type special symbols. D. Escape moves the cursor to the next new line. The answer is D. Escape moves the cursor to the next new line is an incorrect match. Which of the following devices has a small camera that helps to take pictures, record videos or see people during video calls? A. Webcam, B. Projector, C. Scanner or D. Printer? The answer is A. Webcam. Question number 9. A dash is a flat, smooth area on a laptop. You can use your fingers to move the pointer on the screen with it. Options are A. Digital pad, B. Touch pad, C. Mark pad, D. Stamp pad. The answer is B. Touchpad. Identify the place where the given information shows the use of computers. It is used for performing complex calculations. It is used for 3D visualization. Options are science and engineering, hospital, railway station, bank. The correct answer is science and engineering. Which of the following is a special folder on the computer where deleted files go, and you can open that folder and restore the deleted files if you want them back? The answer is C. Recycle bin. Question number 12. Unscramble the letters of the words given in column 1 and match them with the corresponding options given in column 2. A is trackball. B is CPU. C is monitor. Let's match them. The correct answer is D. A3, B1, C2. Which of the following statements is incorrect with respect to the uses of computers? A. It helps people in banks, offices and shops to do their work. B. It helps doctors to check reports and keep patient records. C. It can be used to watch cartoons, songs and learn videos. D. It can help while playing in parks as well as during walking and enjoying nature. The incorrect statement is D. It can help while playing in parks as well as during walking and enjoying nature. Question number 14. Which of the following type of devices can be easily carried from one place to another and comes with touchscreen technology? A. Android mobile. B. Desktop. C. Tablet. D. Both A and C. The correct option is D. Both A and C. What does the CPU stand for? A. Control processing unit. B. Central processing unit. C. Control process unit. D. Connected processing unit. The correct answer is B. Central processing unit. What would be the result if you perform the following steps when caps lock key is on? Step 1. Type ICSO. Step 2. Press spacebar key. Step 3. Press delete key. Step 4. Type Olympiad. A, B, C or D. What would be the correct answer? Step 1. Type ICSO. Remember, the caps lock key is on. Step 2. Press spacebar. Step 3. Press delete key. Step 4. Type Olympiad. But the caps lock key is still on. So the correct answer is A. ICSO Olympiad in capital letter with a space in between. Option A. Identify the function of the given tool of MS Paint. A. It is used to write words or sentences on your drawing or picture. B. It is used to draw shapes like circles, rectangles, stars and more. C. It is used to erase any part of the drawing or coloring. D. It is used to fill the color in drawing with different brush shapes and sizes. The answer is A. It is a text tool of MS Paint. So it is used to write words or sentences on your drawing or picture. Which of the following is the correct way to use and take proper care of your computer? A. Turning off the computer without shutting it down. B. Wipe the keyboard and screen gently with a wet cloth. C. Press buttons gently and do not bang the mouse. D. touching the screen with dirty and wet hands? The correct answer is C. Press buttons gently and do not bang the mouse. Which of the following are primary tasks that cannot be done with the help of the given device? 1. To point icons on screen by touching them. 2. To draw pictures on screen. 3. To type letters and sentences. So the device here is a keyboard. The options are A. 1 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. Option 1 and 3 only, D. 1 and 2 only. The correct answer is D. 1 and 2 only. Which of the following keyboard keys should be pressed to get the given snapshot? A. Windows, B. Shift, C. Insert, or D. Caps Lock? The correct answer is A. Windows. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. See you in the next class. Bye bye.